Hi everybody, it's Julie, and good morning, and I'm here to make a tassel, and it's gonna go on this, the 2 signature with the 1 3/4 inch spine. We haven't put the cover on it yet, but we did put the pages in, and it is going to get a tassel. So I have my washer here that was part of the metals and things. And then I have a variety of the trims and other things that are left. So I'm going to go ahead and lay out. Okay, so this one is our elastic piece, so I don't want to use that. I do have, I don't remember what this was from, but I have that also. So, like the sparkly. And there's a little piece of gold. There's another piece of lavender. Put that over there. Okay. This lace, I cut it in half. I think that was a piece that we cut off for something else in the book. Okay, so this one's kind of long. These I'm just like, okay, yeah, it's about the right. It's kind of funny how many of these are. Oh, there's another piece of lace. That can go there. Oh, we have another lavender ribbon. We have a piece of the eyelash trim. We have this, and that came from somewhere else. I'm going to save this for the other book, because it might be the closure for the other book. So I'm going to save that, because we ended up, we took one of the signatures out, and we've turned it into 2 signatures, so we're going to get to make another journal. We can add that. Now, okay, so we still have these pieces, and we have this piece of lace. So it's, now the thing about the lace is I really don't want to mess up the decoration part of it. And if I don't need it, I don't want to use that for that. But I thought, how long is this piece? If we cut off the edge, oh, check it, me and my sister designs. But if I cut off this edge, I'm going to save that for something else. Could actually even put this piece in. Of course, it's kind of more blue than purple, the writing of it. But the selvage would actually be, I mean, that could go into a tassel, especially if whatever it said on it was along your theme, or if you were able to get more of the color dots. Oh, you know what? I just cut it the wrong way. I hope that's, it's still the same length. We'll give 2 of those. And if you had pinking shears, oh my gosh, wouldn't that be cool? I do have pinking shears. I got them in one of the, but I don't know, are they in here? They are. Let's see if I can work them with my thumb. These are amazing. These came in one of the trunks that I got from my friend. Okay, so we could also, if there's still some tags that need some, we'll cut another one in case there's some tags that still need some cord, you know, need a piece of material on the top of it. So there, put that there. Okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this. Okay. It's like yarn, material, lace, yarn, lace. Oh, we've got a lot of this ribbon. We got 3 pieces of this. 1. We have this. Put another piece of material. Lace. Sparkly ribbon. And if you want a really big, fat, you know, really thick one, you can keep adding, you can just keep adding to this. And if you have, you know, you can add whatever. I might want, I'm gonna save this for the mini book. Okay. I think I do want another piece of material. Where did I put the, yeah. Maybe not kind of more in it than it's early and my fingers don't want to work yet. Okay, so there is going to be my tassel, and you'll see that it's just a variety of items. Okay, so now in our metal, this is from the purple kit, and there is white wire. So we want to straighten this wire out. Okay. Ta-da. Okay, and the next thing we want to do is, there we go. We're going to go ahead, this is a washer, and I had in my stash, I have this little plastic container that is full of washers. So so I'm using them. I'm using my stuff. So now pull it so that it's kind of, there we go. And then I wanted to make sure that that gold fiber was on the top. I want this purple one, this little lavender ribbon here, to go down below because we already have two of them on the top. Okay. Then we'll just go ahead and start this going around. And the piece that we started with, now we're going to pull it around and push the edge of it under. Okay. And then make sure that we come around it a couple more times. Okay, it's stuck back up. There we go. So I just used the end of the scissors to tell it that it needed to go back under there. Okay, close this up. And you don't have to use your whole, all of your, yep. Those are not my everything scissors. These are my everything scissors. If you have your wire cutters out, that would be a better, much better idea. And then we're going to do the same thing again with the end. Come down and across and push it up underneath. Okay. So now we have our tassel. So there we go. And we can add, and we're going to add some charms and things to this, but I haven't made them yet. So that's going to be my next video, is making the charms. And this would just add, can be added to the book. So let's see. And I should have done that before, duh, but I didn't. So there are a couple things you can do with to add a tassel. One is you can add it. I'll show you. Let's do, just because this is something different. I'm looking for headband. Okay, so one way is you can add an eyelet here, and it can be attached to the eyelet. Another is you can add, they actually have it's a brad that has a little jump ring on it, and you can put that on the outside. This is another way. You can just go ahead and attach your tassel to a headband, and then it can become like a bookmark. And when you do it this way, you have to tell it where you want it to be. Okay. So there. And that way it can come back off really, really easily. And so, but you do want to tell it how to sit. So So there is the bookmark. Okay, and then of course, when it's a bookmark like that, you can actually use it to help keep your pages open. So if you're actually journaling and you want to work on this page, you can use it to keep the page open for you. I'm really happy with how this has turned out. Even with all the items that we've put in the pockets and things, it still does lay pretty well. So, so that is another way. And then you can, or even if you're going through your journal, like if you do it one page at a time, you can literally have that be your bookmark as to where you're going to be next. And you just, again, you have to tell it to lay down. But that will work. So, there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video of how I made my purple tassel. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, put them down below. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Come back and have a great day. Bye. Bye-bye. Thank you for being here.